Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.2. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the updates of on-hand quantity. Let's dive into the inventory module. From here, we can just choose a product. So as you just choose a product, here you can see that for the requested block screen, right now the quantity is 50. And in previous versions of Odoo, we can see that we have separate smart tab to manage with the forecasted quantity and on-hand quantity. But right now, it's been merged and set to a single smart tab from where you can find the on-hand quantity as well as the forecasted quantity. And we have a field called quantity on hand. Now, if you want to update this quantity, you can simply click on update button and here you can click on new in order to update that. So let's click on new and let me add the item, which is the requested block string with the variant board. And I just want to set it as 1000. So I can just edit it over here. Okay, let me change it over here. Let's set it as 1000 and you can find the change over here. So it's been updated. Now as you just move on to the requested block string here, you can see that the updated quantity, that is the updated on-hand quantity, which is a new change that you can find under 18.2. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.